Mojoria na muteti Jimi Wanjigi ni arekereirio ni igoti thutha wa kuhingũrĩrwo thitango iria aragwetanio na mahītia ma kwīgwatīra gĩcunjĩ kĩa mūgūnda wa mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.2 na njĩra ya ngungo. Wanjigi anyitirwo wa kerĩ na kurara ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Kamukunji County ya Nairobi. Wanjigi augĩte gĩcanjama gĩa kũnyitwo na gũthitangwo gwake nĩ mbara ya heho arahũrwo nĩ ũndũ wa itũmi cia kĩũteti. Cira ũyũ ũgathikĩrĩrio rĩngĩ tarĩki 9 mweri wa mwaka ũyũ mbere ya mũcirithania Anthony
March 9th 2018 my friend Raila Amolo Odinga went and had a handshake with that master. He went and had a handshake with that master. And when he had that handshake with that master, he went alone. To tell us today that that is what you're going to follow is a big betrayal to those who have espoused the ideals which you have said you follow.
Wanjigi is only here because he spoke on Saturday on these issues. Had he not appeared in the function he did in Yatta, I don't think he would have been prosecuted.